Good morning everyone, how are you? In today's video, I'm going to explain the activities you have to do, okay? Remember that this book is the workbook, the black and white book, and this page is page 22. We have to do activity number 1, number 2, and number 3, okay? Don't do this part where it says vocabulary. We are not working on that, okay? Just activity number 1, number 2, and number 3. Now I'll explain activity number 1. It says, complete the text using the past simple form of the verbs in brackets. Here you have a text, and the only thing you have to do is complete this text with the form of these verbs in the past. Okay, you know that all these verbs are regular verbs, so you need to add the ending ed. Okay, but remember there are rules for that. You have the rules in the PowerPoint I sent you. So this one, for example, you say, when she was a teenager, my grandmother, what is the past tense of work? Worked, okay, with ed. My grandmother worked in the kitchen in a big house in London. Okay, you continue with all the other verbs. Remember that if you find words that you don't understand, you have to look them up in the dictionary. Let's go with activity number 2. It says put the words in the correct order to make questions, and you have 6 points. So remember the order of questions. Remember that we use our hands, okay? What comes first when we ask questions? In this case, all these questions have a WH question word, okay? Like who, where, what, when, which, what. So those words should come first in the sentence. So here, for example, it would be who. Next, in the order, we have the auxiliary. Okay, so who did, then comes the subject. Who did you, then the verb. Who did you invite, and then the rest of the sentence. Who did you invite for dinner tonight? Remember to add the question mark at the end of your sentence. Okay, so after you do that, go to activity number 3, where it says complete the questions with the words in the box. Okay, so here you have 6 points and you have a Q and A. The Q means question and the A means answer. Okay, question, answer, question, answer, question, answer. So I need to add a word, a WH word, in each of these questions. Okay, let's go with the first one. It says, did you buy the present for? Okay, did you buy the present for? And the answer is my cousin. So which of these words do we have to write here? When did you buy the present for? No, because the answer is my cousin, is a person. Okay, and when is used to ask about time. What about this one? Where did you buy the present for? The answer is still my cousin, it's a person. So, and remember that where is for places. So it's not that one. Who? Who did you buy the present for? Yes, okay, because we use who for people. So who did you buy the present for? My cousin. Okay, ¿para quién compraste el regalo? Para mi primo. Okay, continue with all the other points you have. This is everything you have to do. Okay, plus a link. Here you have, I will add the link in Google Classroom, and this is about pronunciation. Okay, something we studied. So here it says the following words end in ed. Las siguientes palabras terminan en ed. How do you pronounce this ending correctly? ¿Cómo pronuncias la terminación correctamente? And you have here 10 verbs. Okay, the first verb you have is the verb watch. Okay, watch. But with the ending ed, you have to click here and you have three options. You have t, d, and id. So remember the rules for pronunciation. Okay, if I say watch, watch, touch your throat, does it vibrate? Watch. No, it doesn't. Okay, so it is voiceless. So here you go, and the ending would be watched. Watched. Okay, so you choose this one. Watched. Okay, and you continue with all the others. When you finish, you have to put here, okay? Click here on check, okay? And you get all the answers automatically checked. And this is everything you have to do. Remember that if you have questions about anything, you can ask me in Novedades, okay? I hope you understood, and well, let's see each other next week. Okay, bye bye.